Hello and welcome back to ET Studio at MoEngage's Growth Summit in association with ET Brand Equity. I have with me Dr. Dev Sarkar, who's a Senior Vice President and Global Head of Consumer Products at Godrej Interio. So, Dr. Dev, a very warm welcome to ET Studio and thank you so much for giving us your time. So I want to start by asking, how do you spend your day? First thing in the morning, you're thinking data and AI. How do you maneuver that throughout your day?
Yeah, nowadays, analyzing data and deriving knowledge from that is very important for doing anything during the day. So morning, of course, starts with analyzing all the sales data, etc., and also seeing reports on how the campaigns went, because we actually have Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, everything integrated into our systems today. Last 2.5 years, we have implemented everything. So I analyze how things are going, how my Google My Business campaign is going, how my lead generation campaign is going, how my WhatsApping campaign is going on. So all those analysis is done in the morning, and then we keep tweaking how much we want to spend in which category of campaigns.
So you're saying that on a regular basis, every day, you churn out data and you churn out content, and the campaigns are running regularly, multiple of them.
Yeah, so there are different campaigns which keep running over the day. So the morning begins with analyzing the data of all the campaigns. So of course I have team members who would analyze it for it. We use analysis software also for it. But what we want to see is whether the campaigns are running or not. Because today a campaign, gone are the days where we would have, here is a ATL campaign budget and these are the newspapers where we will release ads on, or these are the TV channels, and we forget about it for the next quarter. Gone are those days. Today we have to be on our feet and we have to be very nimble. So maybe one of the campaigns is working very well, and we have to slice and dice it according to the areas, regions, geographies, and which is the platform which is working better. Maybe my Google My Business campaign is working better. Maybe my campaign on Meta is working better. Or maybe my campaign which on YouTube is working better. So I have to keep analyzing that into cities, into areas today, and I would immediately put in more monies in one campaign, pull back money from another campaign. So that recommendation comes to me every morning and we have to decide what to do. So a bit of it is automated, a bit of it we do ourselves. So that I think has become absolutely necessary today, in today's day of kind of digital campaigns which we keep running today.
Let's jump to the timeline of the campaign. Starting from receiving the data to the campaign launch. How much time does it take and what needs fixing?
I think today campaigns are run on our feet. It is like a cricket player or a batsman, where he doesn't know how the ball will come, the next ball will come. Will it be a swing? Will it be a in-swinger, out-swinger? Will it be a googly? We don't know what kind of ball will come. So as soon as it comes, we have to hit it for the boundary or hit it for a one run. So hence we have to be on our feet. So every day we decide on this is the change which we will create for today's campaign. Because we are a complete omnichannel. So if we falter anywhere, our footfalls will reduce in our showrooms. Our footfalls is anyway 15 to 20 per day. So if that 15 to 20 comes down to 10, we lose 30% of our business opportunity. If that 15 to 20 goes up to 25, then we immediately get extra benefits on that day. So hence, it's very important to be nimble-footed nowadays. Yes. We cannot afford to launch a newspaper campaign or forget about it we do that also parallelly, but we also have to do digital campaigns which are quite fast and nimble-paced nowadays.
But doesn't AI implementation help make this better?
Yes. As I said, a lot of these decisions are also automated, but finally a human element is there. The AI tool might recommend that this is how we have to reorient our budgets, but finally budgets are something which we have to spend. So sure. We have to decide whether we have the budgets or whether we have to, and AI also provides options. Which is the option we want to take is something which has to be decided by a person. And that is what we primarily decide. Of course, without AI, it would become even more difficult to assign that.
Surprise us with an example where a campaign has done extremely well when you've used both data, AI, and otherwise.
So there was a time where we were faltering during this last festive period, which is Diwali period. There was one particular city, Delhi, which was faltering in terms of footfalls.
Okay.
So we said, what will we do here, particularly for this campaign? By that time, we already had implemented marketing cloud systems, everything else was in place. So we challenged the system itself, ki what can we do here, and it threw up that this is a particular class of customers. And good thing about Godrej is we have databases ranging back from 50, 60 years now, because we have to keep servicing. So if we service, we have database of customers. So we have a lot of database. So somebody who bought, so it threw out, start sending messages, WhatsApp messages with nice thing about what are the products which we have of people who bought something 3 years ago.
Okay.
So we started sending that and we got good results. We offered them a particular discount, and suddenly in that 1 week which was slumping for us, it picked up. Within a day of starting that campaign, it started picking up. So I think since we had automated it, we were faster off the block. If we had done that without all this automation and integration, it would have taken a lot of time and we would have already crossed the festive period by that time.
It's also
so we are
recall
continuing
value.
to do that.
It is also a recall value for the customer, right? Saying 3 years
Yes.
ago I had bought that. Why am I
Yeah.
not buying this right now?
Yes. So today, of course, we also send them messages during their anniversary and birthdays and everything else. But that is an integration which we are able to do. What we avoid is we don't send product promotions straight away. We give them snippets and we keep in touch with them so that when we send them next time, some small promotion, they will not block us off. So that is very important. Today people can block us off very quickly. So we have to keep sending very interesting tidbits. This is the color which is in trend today. This is the color of the year. This is the finish of the year. Or this is the transposable furniture which will help you save space. And we will not even say that we are here to sell you anything. So those are the kind of interactions which you have to keep doing. So it is like you prime things for 1 year and then you can use it for 1 week.
So it's reverse psychology with customers.
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Dr. Dev, for your time, and insights have been very, very interesting. Thank you again.
Thank you. It was a pleasure to be on this forum.
Thank you so much.
All the best.
For the viewers out there, the conversations have just started. We are maneuvering into better insights from MoEngage's summit, and look forward to many more of these series. Stay tuned.